Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency trading on Bybit. This guide will help you take your first steps on the platform, from installing the app to making your first trades. Bybit offers a wide range of tools for traders of all levels, whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional. We'll show you how to install and set up the app, fund your account, buy or sell cryptocurrency, and trade futures with leverage. Use our tips and recommendations to confidently manage your assets and achieve success in the cryptocurrency markets. Let's get started. First, install the Bybit app. Find it in your device's app store or use the link in the video description to get a special offer, up to $30,000 for deposits and trading on the platform, plus a $20 coupon for futures trading fees. The installation process is simple. Click the Download App banner at the top of the screen to start the download. After installing Bybit, register. It only takes a few minutes. Click the Sign Up button and choose a registration method, via email or phone number. Enter the required information and create a strong password. In the referral code field, enter App8 to get up to $30,000 and a futures coupon. Confirm your email or phone number. After registration, set up your profile and complete verification. This is necessary for full access to the platform's features, including higher withdrawal limits and the ability to use P2P transactions. Go to the Profile Settings section. Select Verification and upload the necessary documents, such as your passport or driver's license, and take a selfie. Follow the instructions in the app. The verification process will take some time. Once your information is confirmed, you can use all of Bybit's features. For added security of your account, enable Google Authenticator. This app generates one-time codes for additional protection. To enable Google Authenticator, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. After installation, open the Bybit app, go to Security Settings, and select Enable Google Authenticator. Follow the instructions to scan the QR code or enter the key manually. With Google Authenticator, you'll use one-time codes to log into your account and confirm transactions, ensuring extra protection for your funds and data. Once you've completed the setup and verification of your Bybit account, you can start funding your account. If you don't have cryptocurrency yet, you can buy it directly on Bybit. You have two main options: one-click purchase or P2P trading. One-click purchase is simple and fast. On the main screen, click Deposit, go to the Buy Crypto section, and select the one-click buy option. Choose the desired cryptocurrency, such as the popular stablecoin USDT. Enter the amount, and click Next. In the new window, select the payment method and enter the payment details. This method is convenient for beginners but may include additional fees. Another option is to buy through P2P trading. P2P allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency directly between users, bypassing intermediaries. Choose the desired cryptocurrency. Enter the amount, and select the payment method. The platform will offer a list of available sellers. Find a suitable offer, contact the seller, and make the transfer. A detailed guide on buying cryptocurrency is available in the video description. If you already have cryptocurrency in another wallet, simply transfer it to Bybit. To do this, you can use the Deposit button on the main page of the app or go to the Assets section and select Deposit. Choose the desired cryptocurrency and network, and you will be shown your wallet address. Copy it and use it to transfer funds from an external wallet. On this same page, you can withdraw cryptocurrency and transfer it between your accounts on Bybit. To withdraw funds, click the corresponding button. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter your wallet address, the necessary crypto network, and the amount to withdraw. Be sure to double-check wallet addresses to avoid losing funds due to errors. Then click the Withdraw button and confirm the transaction using two-factor authentication. Now let's move on to trading. First, you need to transfer funds from the main account to the trading account. To do this, click Transfer, specify the transfer direction, from the main account to the trading account, choose the cryptocurrency and amount, then confirm the transfer. Now your funds are available for trading. Let's open the spot section in the bottom menu of the app. Here you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Choose a trading pair and the desired market, such as USDT or USDC. Use the charts for market analysis. Shorter time frames, such as 15 minutes or 1 hour, are suitable for quick trades, while daily charts are better for long-term deals. Pay attention to the order book, where current buy and sell orders are displayed. This helps traders see supply and demand in real time. Then choose the order type. A limit order allows you to set the price at which you want to buy or sell cryptocurrency. The order will be executed when the market reaches this price. Enter the price and quantity, then click Buy. For instant trading, choose the market order type, enter the quantity, and click Buy. The cryptocurrency will be immediately credited to your wallet. In the My Orders section, you can see all your active orders, their status, and if necessary, cancel or adjust them. Now let's move on to futures trading. In the menu, select the Futures section. Here you can trade using leverage, which allows you to increase potential profits but also risks. Choose the desired cryptocurrency. Analyze the charts. Review the order book and choose the order type. All these functions are similar to spot trading. Now let's talk about margin. Margin is the collateral that ensures the execution of the trade. There are two types of margin, cross and isolated. Cross margin uses your entire account balance to maintain the position, which reduces the risk of liquidation but increases the overall risk. Isolated margin limits the margin amount to a specific position, helping to manage risks. Beginner traders are recommended to choose isolated margin. Set leverage to increase the trading amount. Leverage allows a trader to use borrowed funds to increase their position in the market, which can significantly boost both profits and losses. For example, if you have $100 and use 10x leverage, you can control a $1,000 position. Beginners are advised not to use high leverage. You also have access to stop limit and take profit orders for automatic execution when a certain price level is reached. This is convenient for limiting losses or taking profits. Aim for trades with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 3, where potential profit is 3 times the possible loss. Enter all the details and click long or short to start trading. Great job! Now you have the knowledge and tools needed to trade cryptocurrencies effectively. Bybit offers extensive opportunities for trading cryptocurrency and futures, enabling you to achieve your financial goals. Always strive to improve your skills, stay updated on market trends and news to make informed decisions. Remember, by registering with the referral code app8, you get up to $30,000 and a $20 futures fee coupon. A great start for your journey in the world of cryptocurrency trading. Let this guide be your reliable companion, helping you confidently manage your assets. We wish you successful trades and financial prosperity.